everybody, I'm Susan from Srstyle. Hope having a great day. I have a unboxing from Apple. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, there's my blade. And I'll be doing my 500 subscriber giveaway on September 10th. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and that's all you have to do in order to win the Disney Loungefly Sully Mini backpack. Like, subscribe, share, comment, all that fun stuff. And thanks for everybody that's subscribed to my channel and supporting my channel. So when I reach 1,000, it's gonna be even a bigger prize, so tell a friend. Alright, so let's see what I got on my unboxing. We're in. Alright. Got some paper. Alright, let's see here. Put that down, have my receipt. See what I got from Apple. Alright. So I got some earth hooks. These have something to do with my AirPods. And this one is congratulations on your purchase. And here's some little apps that I can download later. And what else did I get here? I got a neck wrap, part of the bundle. And let's see here. Sport Sidekick. Alright. Here's my AirPods. These are the 3rd generation. These are noise canceling. My other ones, they just kept starting, stopping. I had the 1st generation, so I guess it was time for me to upgrade. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up the box and see what they look like. They're white. All right. Let's see here. I guess I have one more to go here. Okay, let's see if it's gonna open. There we go. The box looks like that. You get your care information. Looks like that. Okay. Let's see if there's anything underneath here. Oh, you get a charging cable underneath the box there. Alright, let's go ahead and open it up and see what they look like. So it's a little wider case. Alright, yeah, they're wider. They look like that. And they're shorter. And that's what they look like. So they got a shorter stem there than the 1st generation. So yeah, they're noise canceling, they're wider, and the end is shorter. Alright, so those are my new AirPods, so I'll be checking those out later. I have to charge it up. And until Saturday, I will be doing my giveaway, so make sure you stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye now.